Hey guys, I'm David from the Barbecue Lab, and I would spend way more time outdoors if there weren't mosquitoes buzzing around me all the time while I'm trying to enjoy some downtime. The ambush mosquito trap aims to solve that problem, and today we're going to see if it's up to the task. Mosquitoes are the scourge of the planet, and their disease-carrying carcasses should be eradicated as rapidly as possible. Now look, I'm sure someone will enlighten me to the benefits to society that mosquitoes bring in the comments, but for now, I stand by what I said. We work and we play outdoors, reviewing outdoor cooking and outdoor living gear, and our constant companion has been the common everyday mosquito. I remember packing a moving truck in 98-degree heat and having swarms of mosquitoes with us the entire day. I've mowed a 10-acre yard after weeks of rain and had swarms of mosquitoes chase me on the mower, and I've always wanted to repay the mosquito in kind for how often they visited me. That's what today is all about. It's the day we review the ambush mosquito trap, and any day that we're killing mozzies is a great day in my book. This review consists of an overview of the product, an intensive test, and our results putting the ambush mosquito trap to use from June to mid-August in the Midwest United States. Ambush Mosquito Trap reached out to us a few months ago and asked if we'd like to test out their unit that's now available in the US. This company is based out of Australia and has recently made their move to marketing over here in the States. The ambush mosquito trap works by attracting and trapping female mosquitoes and breaking the breeding cycle. Since every species of mosquitoes are attracted to different things, the ambush mosquito trap features 6 different attractants that mimic the human body in order to get the job done. The most powerful is the ambush lure, which is made up of octanol. Additionally, CO2, ultraviolet light, a heat plate, a powerful fan, and the unit's dark casing all attract mosquitoes. The ambush trap, power cable, and a single lure comes in the box, which allows coverage from the unit for 30 days before the lure needs to be replaced. The power cord is 19 feet long, and you'll find that there's a power adapter in the middle of that 19-foot long run. Since the trap is designed to attract mosquitoes, it's recommended that it be placed away from the house and the spaces that people are more likely to be. It should be set low to the ground or directly on the ground. Mosquitoes are notoriously bad flyers, so having the unit close to where they live is going to mean more success. Now, you simply place the lure inside, return the lid, and press the power button to turn the device on. Ambush Mosquito Trap also offers unlimited access to their Ambush Concierge to help you find the best, most effective place to position the trap in your yard. Ambush claims to give up to 1 acre of coverage with one trap. Now, we only have about a 1/3 acre here, and I would say it definitely covers our whole lot. Perhaps my neighbors have also felt some additional benefits as well. I'm not sure. The ambush mosquito trap itself costs $199 and includes one lure, giving you 30 days of protection. Now, a 6-month supply of lures costs $59. Now, there's also free shipping anywhere in the United States. Ambush Mosquito Trap offers a no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not happy with the results, just send it back and they'll fully refund your money.
Hey, if you're thinking about making a purchase, we want to help you save a little bit of money. If you enter the discount code BBCUE10 at checkout, it'll save you 10%.
So the question is, does it really work? Ambush's tagline is regain your outdoors, and I've got to say that's really what it does. We just finished our outdoor kitchen and living space at the beginning of the summer, and we were thrilled to be able to enjoy the space mosquito-free for a full month. Now, I will say, however, that we could tell a definite difference after the first month had ended and the original lure lost its luster. We let it go for a bit intentionally to see if the 30 days could possibly get stretched longer, and I think that their timetable seems pretty accurate. The mosquitoes started to come back, and it seems as though they've come back with a vengeance. From here on out, we'll have a backup supply of lures ready to replace each month. Now, besides the fact that it actually works as it claims, there are a couple of other things worth mentioning that we appreciate. While the lure might be smelled by mosquitoes, we as humans were oblivious to it. It's also completely quiet. There's no humming, no zapping sounds. We honestly just kind of forget it's back there. So let's take a look at what we saw after 2 weeks of running a test with the ambush mosquito trap. All right, let's see what we've got here. Here is our first 2 weeks. We've got some moths, some mosquitoes, all types of different things in there, but that is a good haul for 2 weeks. Now, it's been another 4+ weeks since we emptied the trap, with vacations being around and the summer schedule being hectic. Here we are 4+ weeks later, and I want to go ahead and show you what is in the trap after 4 weeks in addition to what we've already shown you. Okay, so let's start by taking a look at what the lure looks like after a good 6+ weeks in this unit. It doesn't look dramatically different, but it has lost its luster, so time for this to be gone away and time for a new one to go in. All right, so here is what we're looking at after a good 4+ weeks of running this trap. Let's see what it looks like. All right, here we go. That, my friends, is a lot of bugs.
It's disgusting.
That is entirely disgusting. But that's what you get. I mean, we've got all kinds of stuff in there. Wow, some of it's still alive, some of it's dead. We've got mosquitoes and beetles, and man, there's all kinds of stuff in there. So, does the mosquito trap work? Absolutely. Does it trap more than mosquitoes? Absolutely. Okay, so we established that the product does in fact work as it claims. Let me just share a couple of extra tips with you before we finish. When it comes time to empty the trap, have some bug spray ready to blow into the unit before you turn it off. There may likely still be live mosquitoes inside, and you'll for sure want them dead before accidentally releasing them back out into your yard. Also, just do yourself a favor and buy the 6-month supply of lures when you purchase the unit itself, because if you wait 30 days to decide if you're happy with it and then order more lures, you'll be back in Mosquitoville before the new lures are delivered and ready to use.
Hey, before you go, I just want to remind you, you can save 10% on your purchase if you're going to buy today. You can save 10% by entering the discount code BBCUE10. It'll save you 10%, and also your purchase will help support our channel. Thanks.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like here. It just helps us find others who might enjoy this type of content so that we can help them be the kings and queens of their backyards as well. Now, if you like what we're doing here, there's never been a better time to subscribe to the channel. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, and we'll bring that content your way without you having to go looking for it. Now, if you're a social media user, we're on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And we post every day with our favorite gear and recipes to help you win every cookout. We also post our favorite sales and closeouts that we hear about on grills, accessories, and more. So if you're looking to up your outdoor cooking game, we're on social media to help you. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to take a closer look at the ambush mosquito trap featured in this video, we've left a link in the description below. Until next time, keep that smoke rolling, because that also helps keep the mosquitoes away.